Well, good morning, it's John Neal here. It is Friday the 22nd of, March 2024. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm just going to investigate and have a look, see what's happened to my camera, which is stood overnight next to a badger set. Oh, honestly, the things I do to keep myself amused. Right, well, it's been raining overnight, so that shouldn't be a problem. The new trail camera that I bought is very good. It's got some Bluetooth connections as well. This is a popular dog walking spot. Not a lot of people, in fact, there's somebody over there with a dog. And I hear a bird. There's a robin, where is he? Up there. Right, let's make my way over to the corner of this field where there certainly are some badgers. I spoke to somebody yesterday who lives just around the corner, very nice chap. And he says, oh, you've been looking for the badgers. How did he know that was what I was doing? But indeed, I was. So I'll just make my way around and see what I can see. I'm quite hopeful there because there's certainly been signs of activity, some fresh soil come up out the hole. So let's have a look and see what's on the camera. That was successful. Still got the camera at least, and I've got a shot of a badger. He didn't put much into the script, but he had a good look round, a big fella as well, and then trotted off in the direction I thought he would, across the fields over there. So at least it has worked, and worked very well. So I have to think of another venue, another place to see if I can see some more. Well, that was very successful. I think the camera's very good. I know other badger sets, so I may try another location, or I might even go back there and set it in a different place. So it was very good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.